Hey guys, so in this video we're going to learn about PVT surface or PVT diagram. Well, whenever you will study this subject, most of the books have shown 3D diagram of PVT surface, but I will make you understand with 2D diagram, not 3D diagram, so that it will become quite useful for you. And one more thing, if you are preparing for any competitive examination in India or maybe outside India, this lesson will help you to solve MCQ question. You will not have any kind of confusion with this topic, that is PVT diagram and PVT surface. So let me draw. I hope you can see one diagram here. Here what we are considering, that is PT. P on the y-axis and temperature on the x-axis. Another diagram I am drawing, that is PV, pressure and volume. Pressure on the y-axis and volume on the x-axis. I hope you can see both the diagrams. Now very important, let me draw PT diagram first. This line is what? Sublimation. Sublimation. What exactly happen in case of sublimation? Solid will convert into what? Vapor directly. This is known as what? Sublimation. Now here we have what? Here we have triple point. This is what? Triple point. That means at this point all the phases existed, like solid, liquid and gas. Now from the triple point we have few more lines. This would be like this, right? Few more lines, and we have one more point as well. This is what? Critical point. Critical point. This is liquid, this one is vapor, and this one is solid, and this is known as what? Melting line. This is melting, and this is also known as what? Fusion, and this line is what? Vaporization. Vaporization. All right, I hope you got the point. Now you can see here, my dear, what I'm going to draw another line, right? This one is for water, but this one is for all other substance, all other, right? Here you have to remember one very important point. This is important for multiple choice questions, right? In case of water, we have here negative slope, and in case of other substance we have positive slope. Where it is happening? In case of fusion or melting. I hope you got the point. This one important point you need to understand. Why there is negative slope? Let me make you understand. Even while fusion. So if we look at the property of water and other substance, here you go. When we freeze, what happened to water? Water expand. That is why its density is more. That is why basically ice floats on water. Density is less because expand. That is why ice float on water, because its density is less. Otherwise ice will sink, right? If this property, we don't have this property that upon freezing it will expand, that is why it will float, then definitely it would have been disaster for aquatic animal, means those are living in water. Aquatic animals are living comfortably because of this property of water, because upon freezing it is what? Expanding. If you look at other substance, what is happening? Contract. But whenever we are melting, we are melting, what is happening? What is happening basically? It is contracting and it is what? Expanding. And because of this property, for water we are getting negative slope in case of melting or fusion, and for other substance we are getting what? Positive slope. I hope you got my point, right? Now come to the PV diagram. Let's understand another part of this video, that is for PV diagram. Here also we are going to solve very good MCQ question. I will share what is that. Let's draw the diagram first, PV diagram, right? So okay, this should be like this. This one is what? Solid. This one is solid plus liquid. This one is liquid. This one liquid plus vapor, and here we have vapor only, and this one solid plus vapor. And this particular point is known as what? Critical point. This particular point is known as what? Critical point, right? That means there is direct conversion basically happening, right? Now here what we have seen, critical point we got in case of PV, but here we have triple point. Where we can, or which line or which point we can say triple point on PV diagram? They ask question, MCQ question from this thing only. Well, in case of PT diagram, triple point is a point. Triple point is a point. But if you look at this diagram right way, you will see triple point is not a point, because this is the line. This is the line where all the three phases are existing, whether it is liquid or solid or vapor. That means this line is known as triple point. But because this is a line, so what we'll say in this case, this is what? Triple line. This is very, very important for competitive examination. Whether you are preparing for competitive examination or you are going to write the university examination. One more thing, if you are going to appear for university examination, if you will draw these two diagrams and understand everything, definitely you are going to get good marks. If you want to get best marks, you can draw that 3D diagram, that book one, that will also help you. But these two diagrams are very, very important for understanding its basic concept, that is what? PVT surveys or PVT diagram. Well, thank you very much for watching this video. See you soon in my next video. God bless you all. Bye bye.